The evolution of media refers to the changes and developments in how people create, share, and receive information over time. From the traditional forms like print and radio to modern digital platforms like social media and streaming services, media has continuously evolved to keep up with technology and the needs of society. This is a continuation of the evolution of media that has been discussed on your lesson 1. Industrial Age 1700 to 1930. The Industrial Age is a period of history that encompasses the changes in economic and social organization that began around 1760. In Great Britain and later in other countries characterized chiefly by the replacement of hand tools with power-driven machines, such as the power loom and the steam engine, and by the concentration of industry in large establishments. In 1774, electric telegraph has been invented. This is a significant advancement in long-distance communication. So ito yung unang-unang ginamit para makipag-communicate if ever LDR kayo. In 1829, typewriter has been invented. It facilitated faster and more legible document production. So before, since wala pang computer, ito yung ginagamit para makapag-produce ng document or makapag-type ng document. Way back 1876, the first telephone has been invented by Alexander Graham Bell. It transformed personal and business communication. So, nung time na to, nag start na yung pakikipag-communicate sa pagdating sa iba't ibang klase ng tao and especially with business. Kapag halimbawa may business ka, that is the only time nagagamit ka ng telephone that was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. So next on our list is phonograph in 1877. It allowed for the recording and playback of sound, laying the foundation for the music industry. So ito yung unang way para halimbawa makapakinig ka ng music ng mga panahon na yon. Tapos, ito rin yung nagpapatugtog ng iba't ibang music kapag halimbawa may mga occasions. Or, let's say kapag mayaman ka, meron ka nito during 1877. In 1894, the first radio has been invented. Development of the radio marked the beginning of wireless communication. Since meron ng radyo noong 1894, ito na yung start na hindi na sila nahihirapang mag-pass ng information o kaya messages sa larger population since meron na magdi-distribute nung news or messages na yon. After industrial age, here comes electronic age, 1930 to 1980. The electronic age is the invention of the transistor ushered in the electronic age. People harnessed the power of transistor that led to the transistor communication became more efficient. During that time, pag sinabi mong transistor, it's a type of radio na pwede kang makinig ng iba't ibang klase ng news or information that is going on during 1930s hanggang 1980. In the year 1940, community antenna television has been invented. This is the year that the development of the community antenna television system marked the early days of cable television. So, first time na magkaroon ng cable TV. So, kaya meron pa siyang antenna. In the year 1950s, this is the time that the black and white television has become a widespread transforming home entertainment. So during that time, almost lahat na ng bahay nung era na yon ay meron ng television. However, hindi pa siya colored TV. Black and white pa siya. In the year 1960, FM radio gained popularity, offering better sound quality compared to AM radio. So dito, instead of news ang napapakinggan sa radyo since FM siya, ibig sabihin meron na din siyang music and then also may drama din on a certain time slot. FM stands for Frequency Modulation Radio. kung saan yung information ay tinatransmit by varying the frequency of a radio carrier wave. In 1963, audio cassette was revolutionized. This is for personal music consumption by making it portable and convenient. If ever pupunta ka sa isang friend or aalis ka, pwede mo na lang dalhin mismo yung audio tape. Since yung audio tape na to, ito yung nilalagay mismo dun sa radyo or ang tawag nila dati dun cassette. Pag sinot mo yan dun sa cassette at plinay mo, iikot yung parang naka-roll na tape tapos magpo-produce na siya ng sound or music. In 1973, the first handheld mobile phone was invented. John Mitchell and Martin Cooper developed the first handheld mobile phone, heralding a new era of mobile communication. So ito na yung start na pwede ka makipag-communicate out of the country or long distance na hindi ka nagagamit like nung mga sinaunang telephone. In 1975, VCR was invented. VCR stands for Video Cassette Recorder. The VCR allowed people to record and watch television programs at their convenience. Ito yung time na halimbawa meron kang gustong palabas sa TV na gusto mong mapanood ulit. So, ang gagawin mo, i-record mo muna siya. So, after niyang ma-record, let's say tapos ka nang mag-work, tapos nabuo na yung recording, pwede mo na siya ulit panoorin. In 1981, IBM personal computer was introduced. The introduction of the IBM PC marked the beginning of personal computing, revolutionizing both business and personal life. So ito yung kauna-unahang type ng computer before. Pag sinabi mong IBM stands for International Business Machines. IBM is a large American technology company known for making computers, software, and providing IT services. It played a big role in the development of early computers and business machines. In 1985 was the launch of Microsoft Windows. This is an operating system wherein a graphical operating system that made computers more user-friendly. So since na-create na yung IBM personal computer, ito kasi medyo black and white siya or black and green if ever nakakita na kayo nito. Ito naman, si Microsoft Windows, nag-introduce na sila ng may kulay. Tapos meron na rin siyang iba't ibang klaseng operations na pwedeng gawin using computer. Next on the evolution of media is New Age. This happens 1900s up to year 2000. The New Age is a period in human history characterized by the shift from traditional industry that the Industrial Revolution brought through industrialization to an economy based on information computerization. The internet paved the way advance the use of microelectronics with the invention of personal computers, devices, wearable technology. Moreover, voice, image, sounds, and data are digitalized. So, pag new age, ito na yung nag-boom na talaga yung computer age. Tapos, iba't iba na rin yung ginagamit natin for communication. Tulad dyan sa picture, yan na yung start ng Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google as your search engine. And then yung mga television ngayon, slim type na rin siya, tapos colored. And also, pag nagsisend kayo ng messages, hindi nyo na kailangan magpadala ng sulat. So, electronic na lang siya. You could send it by email, by messenger, or by using these different social media platforms. These are some of the platforms that is available right now for the new age. We have Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and TikTok. So most of them is popular for short form video content and viral trends, and also enabling real-time updates and communication. It is also revolutionizing social networking and digital communication. So lahat naman tayo gumagamit na nito. Ito yung pinaka-form of communication ngayon since hindi naman na tayo nagpapadala ng sulat para makipag-usap sa ibang tao out of the country or within the country. And then, available to sa mga cellphones nyo, laptop nyo, or computer nyo. That's the end of our lesson on evolution of media. Always remember, media has changed over time from traditional tools like newspaper and radios to modern digital platforms like the internet and social media. These changes continue to shape how we communicate and share information. Stay curious as we explore more in the next lesson.